Something like that. And speaking of Thanksgiving, that brings me to one of my favorite things to do. I'm not talking about swallowing. I'm actually talking about watching football, okay? I love watching football. After Thanksgiving, I'll go and I'll grab a beer, put on my jersey, put on my hat, which I like to call my camo fag. And this is my favorite team right here. This is the Colts, okay? Woo! I don't know if you guys, woo, yeah, kid. Yep. Colts. Go Colts! They actually have the worst record in the NFL right now. They do not have a single win, okay? And we are actually calling this the Suck for Luck campaign. And I'm not talking about blowing football players for good luck, you guys, okay? No. I'm actually talking about, like, if we have the worst record in the league, then we get the first round pick next year, and there's this really good quarterback, his name's Andrew Luck, okay? And so that's why we're Suck for Luck. Although I definitely could go for blowing football players. That's not a bad thing to me. Which brings me to my point. Football is fucking gay, you guys. It is the gayest sport out there. It's gayer than unicorns and glitter, okay? I am telling you, okay? They have adult males that get together wearing color-coordinated matching outfits with tights on. Tights. Okay? They play positions like tight end and receiver. They stand like this. And not just like this, they like really stick it out. They're like, oh. And then the quarterback comes up, sticks his hand on this guy's taint, and they pass a ball between their legs. And these guys start chasing each other around on the field, tackling each other, ending up in big piles of testosterone, the pads, muscles, and I think it's getting hungry. And the commentaries are the gayest part of the whole thing. It's what they're saying about these people, okay? They're like, oh my, and I was trying to imagine what it would be like if a really effeminate gay dude was doing the commentary. Like, oh my God, what a fabulous ball handler. That receiver made that play, no problem. Oh, the protection broke down and Harrison made it right through to get to Brady and get him to the ground to get his sack. I mean, the sack. Jesus Christ. You know, it almost sounds like they're talking about a gay porn, doesn't it? I mean, it could be Super Bowl 69. The Dallas Plowboys play the Washington Foreskins. Touchdown! He attacked the hole to get the score. That tight end just got his ass plowed. Oh, and he won't be walking out of here. Someone get him a stretcher. Oh my God. Hope I didn't ruin football for anybody. So.